चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं कुछ। यस, welcome to lecture 4, surface area volume. In this, we will study about the combination of figures. Now, combination of figures, that is, we have studied about the first term of cone. The first term of cone is not in the syllabus, but I have explained. Rest thing, that is cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. All now we have to combine. Four concepts I have explained. Volume of vented figure equal to volume of plastic figure. Volume of water that flows for time t equal to volume of water collected in time t. Volume of mud taken out equal to area on which mud spread into rising level. And last topic, that is volume of object immersed equal to volume of water displaced. Now object, when we go to the questions, you will find that combination figures are there. Combination figures, questions like that. Circus tent, a circus tent is in the shape. A circus tent is in the shape. That is cylindrical, surmounted by a conical top. So this type of figures are there, and or a solid toy, that is a hemispherical part surmounted by conical part. Now the object is in this shape, or vessel, that is a cylinder whose both ends are hemispherical. So this type of questions are there, and we will study about all these things. So combination figures, combination figures. So what? First of all, this is a conical part. Now in this conical part, we have cylindrical part here. So first figure is like this. Now this is R, this is R, this is H1, this is H2, this is flat height, and the total height of this will be what? Capital H. So this type of first figure. Now second figure, you can say that conical portion and hemispherical. This here, this is one R, this is H, this is L, and this is R. So this is capital H. Second figure, a toy. So capital H will be what? H plus R. Here H1 plus H2 is the total height. Second figure. Third figure, you can say that this is conical top, cylinder, this is hemispherical. So we have here smaller H1 L. Here R H2 and here R. This is R. But when we talk about total height, so total height will be this capital H. So object may be like this also. Now, fourth figure, vessel or capsule, medicine capsule you have. So this is one hemispherical. Again, this one. So R, this is H, this is R, and this is R. So total H will be this one. This is capital. So you will find this type of questions in the refresher or in an NCERT book. When you are doing the questions, you will get the figures like this. So if I ask you volume of this, so what? Here's the figure. What you will say? Volume of the cylindrical part plus volume of conical part. Volume of this, volume of hemispherical part plus volume of conical part. Volume of conical part plus volume of cylindrical part plus volume of hemispherical part. Volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispherical part. So this is one figure, that is volume of hemispherical part. Now both ends can be a conical part also. Question will be like this. Cylindrical part, both ends may be conical part. This conical part. Now this one. So now this is radius L, H1, H1, H2. So total height may be capital H, conical part. So this. Now variety of questions you will form. Next, frustum of mold. Frustum of mold. This type of question. Funnel is there. This is funnel, cylindrical part. Next, conical part. Next, hemispherical part. So by one figure, we can have a variety of questions. This is R. This is R. This is R. This is R. This is capital R, you can say. This is small r. This is L1, here L2. This is H1. This is H2. This is H3. Total height, you will get this like this. From one figure, you must know all the things. Conical part, frustum, cylindrical part, hemispherical part. So we have this type of figures also. Now, after that, this inverted the solid. Now figure may be like this also. The same thing. This figure, if we write in the inverted form, or one end, you can say that like this. This is conical. Now when conical part, this is radius, this is H, this is L. Now hemispherical part, a softie is distributed, ice cream is distributed in the cone with hemispherical top. So this type of figures you will get. So again the same thing, capital H will be the same. Next, vessel. This is the vessel. This is only one end is there. This is H. So you will say this is capital H. So you will find this type of figures and the questions are there. Now sometimes we have the figure like this. That is cylindrical neck is there, and this is what hemispherical part. So this is capital R, and this is small r, H. So this is a one more figure. Volume of this spherical part plus volume of cylindrical part. That is what you must know. After that, we have cube. Cube is there. Cube of build there is and dome is there, hemispherical dome. When you are making a dome, this is side, this is side. But hemispherical dome you have to make. This is the hemispherical dome. So radius. So R will be what? A upon 2. R is A upon 2. This is maximum you are using here. Now this maybe depression will be there. This figure, the hemispherical part. So if I ask you volume, then volume of you plus volume of this. But if I ask you the area, so area will be what? That is area will increase. Understood? And depression is there. And the question is that find the area. Don't subtract because area is increased. If solid figure is there, and if you have to see from the solid figure a hollow portion you can cut. When hollow portion is cut, then you have to see inside of that also. So area is increased. Understood? When we are seeing, so this type of questions will be there in the exam.